Hey guys, welcome to part 3. Let's take a look at what other activities you are likely to encounter as a deck officer aboard a ship while in port. Unloading and loading sometimes happen very quickly, so the draft of the vessel can also change very quickly. Therefore, the tension of the mooring lines can increase or decrease, which can lead to certain troubles. Therefore, you and the duty AB should periodically check the tension of the mooring lines. The chief mate may also ask you to check the draft of the vessel from time to time. Usually at the end of each port watch, the draft of the ship is checked and recorded in the port log. Just as with draft, due to loading or discharging more containers from only one side of the ship than the other, the ship may have a list. As duty officer, you will use an anti-healing system, which by means of anti-healing pump transfers the water from one side tank to the other side tank, allowing the ship to reduce the list. It usually works automatically, but sometimes the list can be so big that there may be not enough water in the anti-healing tanks. Then you, as per chief mate orders, have to ask foreman to stop cargo operations or to load containers on the other side. Whether you have to use ballast pump to transfer ballast water between ballast tanks to correct the list. After a long voyage, the ship usually receives supplies such as provisions and stores. The entire crew is usually engaged to take provisions on board, and you continue on cargo watch. However, you must inform and take permission from the foreman to use the ship's monorail or other crane used to take provisions, as sometimes the shore gantry crane will not allow this. In this case, it is necessary to keep an eye on when it will be possible to take provisions and to inform the bosun and the crew in due time about the need to take provisions. Another activity is bunker reception. As duty officer, you have to inform the engine crew about the approach of a bunker barge. You should organize the deck crew, depending on how it is decided on your ship. Send your watch crew or call the bosun and other crew members who are not on watch to moor the bunker barge to the side of your ship. It is necessary to record such things as the time the bunker barge is alongside, the connection of the bunker hoses, the commencement and termination of bunkering, the disconnection of the hoses, and the departure of the bunker barge. All these data may be needed for the departure reports. Same thing with the garbage barge. But in most cases a garbage truck comes, so you need to tell the bosun to remove the garbage from the garbage store and tell the chief mate to sign the appropriate paperwork for the garbage man. Lifeboat drill may also take place in the port when a lifeboat is going to be lowered to the water. In this case, you have to inform the port and VTS of your intention and ask for permission to conduct the drill. So guys, these are the most common port activities that you may deal with at the port. Usually there may also be various visitors in ports such as port authorities, PSC or ISBS inspectors and surveyors. And in most cases your duty is to inform the senior officers and escort the visitors to them. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next videos.